Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Some people are living life like they don't have to die. Drinking alcohol, smoking, cursing people, beating people, disrespecting their parents, disrespecting elders, doing every single thing whatever they want, without thinking that what will become of them if they died today. Please try to understand, my dear respected brothers and sisters. Nobody gonna live in this world forever. One day, everybody has to leave this transient world. And remember one thing. Today is the day of action, not accountability. Whatever you are doing, doesn't matter good action or bad action. Nobody gonna ask you. No one gonna ask you. But the day of resurrection and the day of judgment will be the day of accountability, not action. On the day of judgment, you just have to answer and reply what you have done in your life in front of Allah Almighty. So my dear respected brothers and sisters, if Allah Almighty has given you this beautiful life, try to live in such a way that please your Lord and people benefit from you. And try to become a nice Muslim according to the teachings of Islam and according to the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. May Allah bless all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.